Hey, what's up guys? Nick here from the Boneyard Wood Co. So now that it's summertime, I've noticed that everyone's out either building or buying outdoor furniture to sit on. Which is cool and all, but why sit when you can lie down on your very own friggin' hammock? I'll show you how. So once I got all my lumber milled up, I made a slide on the two main support posts. I cut 4 pieces at 16 inches. Pulled 4 of the better looking pieces of lumber out the freshly milled pack, and then 2 of the short pieces I just cut, I glued them flush to the top, sandwiching them in between 2 of those pieces. With the 2 remaining short pieces, I cut a 35-degree angle at one end. And then glued those remaining 2 pieces with the point of the angle at 4.5 feet. While that was drying, I made a start on the base. I cut 2 pieces at 3 foot and then 4 pieces at 1 foot with a 35-degree angle at one end. I glued 2 of the shorter pieces to the ends of each base, but don't pay too much attention to this because I did change it later on in the video. I used an offcut of my main support post as a spacer and then glued each piece in place. same spacer to mark my overall length of the support beam. I then cut those support beams at that mark, at a 35-degree angle. I came to realize I needed extra support at the end of the base, so I cut those two short pieces off that were flush, and then replaced them with two pieces that were 10 inches longer, making the overall cut 26 inches, with a 35-degree angle at one end. Using a roofing square, I made a marked square with the underside of the base. And then marked and cut my second support piece. I made a mark center at each connection. I made a 1/2 inch deep hole with a 1 inch Forstner bit. I repeated this step at every connection. Using a 3/8 wood bit, I drilled all the way through each hole. There's a couple of reasons why I chose this option for the base. One being so I can accommodate for different size hammocks, and secondly, it's easier to break down into smaller pieces. For the feet, I cut two pieces at 3 foot and then made a center mark. I then marked the width of the base central over that center mark. and then cut 4 more pieces at the distance from each mark. This will create a nice seat for the hammock to sit in. I then drill the remaining holes using the same steps as before. I gave each piece a good sand ready for finish. I cleaned up all the edges with a 1/4 inch chamfer bit. I applied 4 coats of outdoor versatility. I then sprayed all my hardware matte black. And there you have it, As always, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask me down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and go follow at Boneyard Woodco for more day-to-day content. Peace.